Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. We are going today to learn how we can make a slide animation in Figma. At the end of this video, we are going to achieve this kind of animation in Figma, which you are going to see it. So for reaching to this step, please open the Figma. We are going to make one frame here as, for example, iPhone SE. I'm going taking it here. Then we are going to andra.co. As you can see here, this address bar, andra.co illustration. You're coming here. You're going to choose your character from here. You're going to search here for from my side. I'm going to use the walkings and it will bring some animation here. I have chosen them. Here you are going to change the color of that, which color you like to choose it. Then again, we are going to Figma. I have already downloaded, but SVG, and I have brought them here. They are here. I have to just make it a little bit. Then I'm coming here and using ellipse tool, holding down shift key and making one circle here. Here we are going to center it. Okay. Then I'm going to change the color of this circle. For example, orange is good. Then I'm going to take one by one here, make it a little bit bigger as you wish it. Bring it to center. I'm going to make it a little bit down. Then I will bring next one here, placing it here and make it a little bit bigger. As you can see that they should look similar, but they are in different size, width and height. So I'm going just to see how they can be fixed. Then I'm taking it a little bit back. It's better from here. With the help of arrow key, we can take it back. Then next one, I'm going to place it here. And with the help of a shift key, making this also a little bit bigger and taking it out of this frame, but in one row. Now they are placed here. I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to select all and duplicate it with the help of Alt or Option key. But I'm giving a little bit distance so it will be easy to prototype this kind of animation. I don't want so any yeses here. Now I'm going to bring this animation out. I will bring both and I will choose this and I will take it back. Or simply you can decrease the opacity to 0 to not being shown. And going to change the background color. For example, not so. Yes. Then again, I'm going to choose both and duplicate it. I don't want anything to be chosen here. Then I'm going to take it out as it is out. I'm making this 100% opacity. Then I'm bringing it inside. Making it in center. I don't know whether I have made it in center. Yes. Now I'm going to change the background here. I'm going for maybe this color. It's okay. Both and center. Both center. both center, and I'm going to see whether they are in one row. Yes. Now I'm going to do prototype. Going to the first frame. I'm going to add these to this frame here. As you can see, it can be on click. Navigate to iPhone SE2. Instant should be a smart animate. It should be A's in and A's out. It should be 600 millisecond. Then we are going to do these same properties to other one here from navigate to S2 to S3. As you can see, a smart animate, A's in and out, 600 millisecond. From this, I'm going from third to one, because after that I want, again, it should come to first animation, but here on click, navigate to S1, smart animate, A's in and A's out. I want just be a little bit faster. For that matter, I'm going to make it 400 millisecond. Now we are going to see how we could achieve this animation. I'm going to click here again, and it goes to first one. Very nice. We could achieve this animation. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about new upcoming video. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in next time. Bye.